Hi, I'm Lisa Hostetler-Brown, and this is Legally Speaking with LawyerLisa. Thanks for joining me today to talk about nursing home care and whether or not they're really going to take your home if you do need nursing home care towards the end of your life. So let's talk about what that means. First of all, this only applies if you're receiving government assistance such as Medicaid benefits to help pay for your care in a nursing home or at-home services. If you're private paying for care or you have long-term care insurance, you don't have to worry about the government taking your home at the end of your life. So if you do at the end need to utilize these benefits, such as Medicaid or home and community-based waiver services, it is something that you need to know about and understand how it works. If you are married and you have to go into a nursing home, the government is not going to come and take your house while your spouse is at home. They're not going to take it during your lifetimes. And that's not exactly how it works anyways. So it is something that happens in what's called estate recovery. So if you do pass away and you own a home or other real property and you were receiving these benefits, the government is entitled to file a lien for the amount of services that you received through Medicaid. So let's just say, for example, that you ended up using $150,000 worth of services and your house is worth more than that. Well, that doesn't mean they're going to take the house. It means a lien will be filed against the home in your estate, and that payment will be made to them as a creditor of your estate. So if there's extra equity or value in your home after you pass away, that will still go to your heirs. Now, if you're on Medicaid for a long time, there may not be any extra equity, because as you can imagine, Medicaid level care in a nursing home is very expensive, almost $10,000 a month. So if you're in there for several years, that can far surpass the value of your home. And they are entitled to that lien against the home later on. So you do need to be careful about that. But there are a lot of planning options to make sure that you are able to keep your home or utilize the value of your home to supplement the care that you're receiving while you're alive or for the benefit of your spouse. There's also all kinds of exceptions to the home being paid back. If you have a disabled child, if you have a child move in to help care for you, if you have other circumstances that might warrant a special exception, that might apply. So it is important to make sure that you reach out and get very specific information about your situation from an elder law attorney. At LawyerLisa, we handle this and we would love to give you this information. If you'd like more information on how to save your home or how to avoid estate recovery at the end of the day, you can be proactive. We also help people that are in a crisis already. Check out our information. It's on our website and on the QR code on the screen. Thanks so much for joining me. I'm Lisa Hostetler-Brown, and this is Legally Speaking with LawyerLisa.